This is question 7 of the finding the area of a triangle using trigonometry sheet. So first of all, you're given a triangle, you want to get its area, and they've marked an angle in the bottom right hand corner. You can't get the area of a triangle until you know two sides and the angle between them, so we need to work out this angle first. Now we know all three sides, so we're going to have to use the cosine rule. So what I would do first is label the corners with capital letters. Doesn't matter which capital letters you use. I'm using A, B and C. So this side is going to be small a, this side is going to be small b, and this side is going to be small c. So we need to get angle C first. So we start the cosine rule with the corresponding small letter, so small c. And then we sub in all the values. So this is all one term here from this minus onwards. So we want to move that entire term to the other side to make it positive. So if we do that, we're going to have the following. Okay, copy down our equals, and we're going to move the 17 squared to the other side, so we need to change its sign as well. Okay, we're then going to multiply these numbers together, so this is going to give us the coefficient of cos c. So 2 multiplied by 10 is 20, 20 multiplied by 20 is going to be 400. So we've got 400 cos c, and then type all of this into our calculator here. So that's going to give us 211. Divide both sides by the coefficient of cos c, which is 400. And then we're going to take the inverse cosine in order to get angle C. So we're going to use our shift button and cosine, and then type in our fraction. So that's going to give us 58.1633. Now, write out at least 4 digits after the decimal point. Don't round it because that's not our final answer. Remember, we want the area of this triangle. We had to work out this angle first, which we've just done. And we did that using the cosine rule because we knew all three sides. So now we get the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle . So area equals and that's a half AB sine C. So A and B are the two sides that you know, and C is the angle between them. So you need to know two sides and the angle between them. These are the two sides, and that's the angle between them. So sub that information in. So that's a half times 10 times 20 times the sine of the angle that we worked out, and use the non-rounded answer for that angle. So that's sine of 0.1633. And then again, the rest is just typing carefully into the calculator. So a half times 10 times 20 multiplied by the sine of 58.1633. So that's going to give us 84.955. And then it asks us to round it to 3 significant figures. So you go to the third one, which is a 9, go to the digit after. So 9 rounds up to 10, so I have to put a 0 down. Carry the 1 belonging to the 10 over to the 4 and add it, so that's going to be a 5. And then we're left with 885.0, and then the units are going to be meters squared, and that's the 3 significant figures.